damn.
Whoa, wait a second. Charlie, do that again.
That looked pretty cool.
Maybe we go with the chicken thing.
Okay, no,
the chicken ball.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to take flight with the Birds of War!
What's that word, America? All right!
Hey, troops! All right, guys, drop a beat for us. You ready? Stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap. Come on, America!
Come on, y'all!
The eagle's born out of thunder. He flies through the night. Don't you mess with his eggs now. Or you'll see us fight. Guess we have feathers, but the muscles of men. 'Cause we're birds of war now. But we're also men. Birds of war.
They're not responding to the pageantry at
The whole
all.
second verse is completely
The
ridiculous.
second verse is necessary to clarify what we are.
We're mic'd.
We're mic'd. Our microphones are on.
Are they hearing this?
Do this routine.